Hi, my name is Dia. I'm a researcher, a dreamer, an educator. Based under the Bali Tourism Polytechnic, an institute under the Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy of Republic of Indonesia, I dreamed about quality of education across Indonesia, especially in the eastern part of Indonesia. As the largest archipelago in the world, I truly understand that it is a challenge to create an equality of education across the nation. I've seen many budgets of education has been chopped down. I've seen many schools that is not appropriate, and it's sometimes quite harmful for children who are studying under the roof, which is about to fall. In some cases, I also find there's a lot of women who are married in a very young age, and it is also a challenge for the future of communities and the growth of the cities. Creating sustainability for communities and cities will be very difficult. Even though it's hard, I believe there's always a way. For example, under the Center for Community-Based Tourism, or CCBT, me and my team have been working on many workshops and informal educations for eastern part of Indonesia. We've been training a lot of communities in Labuan Bajo and also in Bali to foster and to strengthen them on how to benefit from tourism in a sustainable way. We believe the best experience is the best teacher. So how can they understand the quality of service? How can they understand the quality of the destinations if they don't experience one? During classes, what we did, we give them cases on how to benefit from tourism, while at the same time they also have the chance to see what is a sustainable tourism and what is not a sustainable tourism. We also teach them on how to create a very basic online travel agents management, or OTA, where we ask them to make or create an account, for example like Airbnb, so that they can experience on how to be a good host. So from here, they can also understand how to create money in a sustainable way from the development of tourism destination in their area. As another example, or in a formal education, I also create this YouTube channel, which the link you can find in my CV. It is called Indonesia Creative. The channel is actually to showcase students' projects. For example, the 6th semester, they have to be involved in creating a digital marketing for a local community business. As for the 8th semester, what they have to do is they have to create this sustainable kind of eco-lodge or accommodations in 10 priority destinations in Indonesia. Some of our projects has been uploaded in the channel, so you are free and you are more than welcome to see some of the examples. For this year and the upcoming year, as my PhD proposal in Gadjah Mada University, I'm doing a research on big data, focusing on flashbackers' behavior when visiting island tourism destination in Indonesia. The idea is to utilize big data to understand more about tourism movement, while at the same time understanding more about tourism behavior when visiting Indonesia. By understanding their movement and of course their behavior, we'll be able to create a further in-depth analysis, while at the same time creating a sustainable regulations for the local government and the national government for their communities. The outcome of this project is also aimed to further emphasize the existing tourism curriculum in Indonesia. We can then understand how the movements which we can share to the students in creating their destinations. This is why I'm really interested in joining the program. I believe that a big dreams means that I have to do a lot of big efforts. I need to meet a lot of new friends from different nationalities. I need to be around people with innovations. I believe the Youth Innovation Forum in Japan 2020 will be a great chance for me to foster myself to nurture and grow. Therefore, I look forward to meeting you all in Japan.